Well, we're here in Lake Glenborne. There's Guy. I seem to find brothers and friends that are men of many words. This is for the Sadlers Adventures. Here's a question. Did you watch the last one?
Yes.
G'day. Welcome to Sadlers Adventures. So beautiful. I always say beautiful, beautiful. In every one of my things I say beautiful. And it's actually really clear. We've kind of wrapped ourselves, we've anchored and then wrapped ourselves around this pole. So we're definitely not going anywhere for a while. We're gonna go have some lunch, maybe do some fishing, chill out and have a bit of fun. Well, I don't know how good the audio quality is because the GoPro just went for a swim. Yeah. But we're out here. Beautiful location. There's obviously some wind, sorry. But just got the lure out, see if we can get anything. We're just looking for a little hole. This one keeps farting, stinking us out. So what did you find?
Nothing. Rocks. Found rocks. Big ones.
What did you thought you found?
A first aid kit. We might have needed a first aid kit if I hadn't found the rocks though.
I think we sit on a spot. Well, 11 meters deep, we should be able to see it.
That's what I was thinking. It should drop down a bit though, because it's going to drop down into the river.
There's a tree.
Yeah, we just touched it. Didn't you hear it?
No, it was you farting or something.
No, that was the tree.
Oh.
Yeah. Did you see the bridge? I don't reckon it's there anymore. I don't reckon the bridges are there anymore. I reckon they're rotted away. Because that was definitely the bridge. We just went over.
There's some crappy stuff here.
Yeah, that'd be it, I reckon.
At 19.7 meters.
Yeah, that'd be it. Yeah, that'd be it. Because it went from down from. I tell you what we should do is we should sit in that little hole there.
Yeah, well, let's sit in that hole there. Don't hook the fucking bridge. Because I'm not diving. Are you going to dive?
Not at fucking 20 metres, I'm not, no. Oh, that's the bridge there. That's the bit I'm going back to. The 20 metres there. That's the bridge. That's the bridge. See that bit there?
Yeah.
That's the bridge itself. See how it jumps up? It goes from, it comes right up at us real quick.
Not the blue thing.
No, that was it there. But this is where we sonared, right?
Yeah.
And it went over. It went down and then came right back up again. I want to sit in that little 20 metre hole. I'll put some bait down. The only problem is I think it's going to be right in that tree. Oh no, maybe not.
Whoa, there's some fishies.
Yeah. Right down in the deep sea, right at the bottom.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a school of fish. It's not a tree. In trees you'll see the shadow. That was a school of fish.
Yeah, that's what I want to do. And then I want to drop the anchor.
Well,
But I want to go over it.
go over it first before don't have to drop the anchor in the hole.
No. Yeah, see right there.
Yeah, we're in 20 metres of water now.
Yep. I get a bit further up this way. Turn our nose into the wind.
19, she's starting to climb now.
Yeah. We'll just go over the top of it. Bring it up a bit.
18,
Yeah.
17.
And then we'll come up fairly well in a minute. We're well over the bridge as well, so it's not like we're going to hook the bridge.
16.
Right, what do you reckon? Here?
Sure.
Down.
Go in reverse a bit.
I am in reverse.
Oh yeah. Okay. So is your ass apparently. In neutral. Yep.
There's your link. Your
It's grabbing. See how that all that rope's not freaking tight.
Can we go a little bit more out?
Yeah.
That's in the bottom now. Just let it go there for a sec. See where we drift to. Yeah.
She's starting to pull now.
She holds here. We'll fish here for a bit.
She's holding here.
Right off the stern. That's facing the wrong way, that arrow, by the way. Moment. We're actually facing the opposite way. Right at the bottom. Yep.
So put the motor back on, not started though, and then lift her out of the water. You go. Yep. It gets the motor away from there.
Out of the top space. Yeah. That's where I wanted us. There's the submerged bridge.
This could be fish or it could be anything. So if we go into fresh, that's fish.
It's got to be fish, that, I think.
Yeah, there's fish down there.
Right, let's go.
Because even in clear water. Do an episode of watching people trying to dock a boat. Well, not dock a boat, but put a boat on a trailer. That wind.
Just keep it coming in. Bit more throttle. Bit more throttle. Bottle up. Should come around. Should come around. Straighten up now, yeah. Give it a bit more throttle. You're going to come on the trailer. Yeah, you've got plenty of room. On the throttle. Come on. Righto, straighten out, throttle up. Oh. No, you're all hooked up. Get it up, I'll get out of the way.
Alright, go.
Watch my antennas! Stop there! Did you see fucking old mate next to us? Fucking car started sliding into the whole thing. Not this guy, the other one that I cracked in behind. Oh. The whole fucking car started sliding into the ramp.
So, the sponsor of this video, well, it's me. With this bag. I don't go anywhere without it. It's a little good grab and go bag. So it's our survival and rescue kit. It's designed for 24 hours. It has everything you need. It has a PLB, straw, tent, food, water, knife. So if you get stuck out in those big adventures that you're doing, this will help save you. So if you'd like to know more about the survival and rescue kit, check out the website. I'll leave a link down in the description below.